Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is steamed rice cake, a traditional snack in FuJian province. The cake is soft, slightly sweet, and easy to digest. It can be used as a staple food or a snack. According to the Compendium of Materia Medica, rice is neutral in nature and sweet in taste, and enters the spleen and stomach meridians. Rice can replenish qi, nourish yin and moisturize dryness, soothe the stomach and stop diarrhea. Not only as a daily staple food, it also has therapeutic effects. I think there is another reason why Chinese people eat rice, because rice is a seed, which is full of power when grown, and people will replenish their energy from rice. Let's get started. 500 grams of rice, soak for more than 3 hours. 3 hours later, add them to a blender, plus 300 milliliters of water. Beat into a rice pulp. Then add 150 grams of flour, 5 grams of yeast, 60 grams of sugar. If you like it sweeter, add more sugar. Stir until there are no flour particles. It is better to stir with a whisk. If it's too much, divide it into 2 containers and let it ferment for at least 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Later, stir to release fermentation gases. If you have cake cups, it's better. If no, use some small bowls. Brush the surface with oil. Pour the rice paste into them, don't fill it up, 70% capacity, leaving room for growth. Put them into the steamer, cover it, let it ferment for 10 minutes before steaming. Steam for 30 minutes after the water boils. Turn off the heat. Delicious steamed rice cake ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.